Hello, question number 46. Calculate active and reactive power for the given circuit. In the circuit, 4 volt AC supply provided to the 1 ohm resistance with minus 3 ohm capacitor and inductor capacitor with parallel in the circuit. Solution. First we will find the impedance of the circuit. Z equal to 1 minus 3j plus under the bracket 1 minus j multiplied by j divided by under the bracket 1 minus j plus j. This equal to 2 minus 2j. This equal to 2 under 2 minus 45 degree. Now we have to find current I. I equal to V upon Z equal to 4 volt divided by impedance 2 root 2 minus 45 degree. This equal to root 2 45 degree. Now active power equal to V multiplied by I multiplied by cos pi. We put the value of V, I and cos pi. This equal to 4 multiplied by under root 2 multiplied by cos 45 degree. So 4 multiplied by under root 2 multiplied by 1 upon root 2. This equal to 4 watt. And reactive power equal to Vi sin pi. So we put the value of Vi and sin pi. After calculation, this equal to 4 watt. Okay, thank you.